I'm taking my wife and my daughter on a trail today. We're actually going to be hitting 3 trails: Bun School Road, Middle St. Vrain, and Coney Creek. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to put them together, but nonetheless, you're going to be seeing 3 trails in this one video. So let's get started. Let's get out on those trails. Oh, welcome to Jack the Jeep. Bunce School Road.
Yeah, that was the avenue.
Alright, so I'm airing down here. We're on Bun School Road, and we're going to go on Bun School, then we're going to hit Middle St. Vrain, and then we're going to Coney Creek. But in the meantime, made this little 4x tire deflator and inflator, and it's working pretty good. Did it for about $100. The gauge, turn it off and on. I can also hook up my air gauge to this and fill it up if I need to. We're going to air down to about maybe 17 pounds. It's not a difficult trail. Any of the 3 are a difficult trail, so they do show difficult on the map, but compared to some of the other things that I've been on, like South Dakota and stuff, we should be fine. Alright, so I use this rapid thing. Throw it back in the Jeep. Chilling with Mama. Charlie! You ready for this? Alright guys, Bun School Road. You ready?
Yep.
She has her headphones in. She don't care. I do too. We're down to about 15 pounds PSI. Should help with that jostling a little bit, baby.
Thank goodness.
Thank goodness.
I was a little crazy.
That's a quick way. Now again, this trail is really just packed dirt. There may be a little bit on it, but
been a real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night, starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. Been a real bad boy. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night, starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt.
alright guys. Sorry. We're on Middle St. Vrain. This is probably the hardest part of the trail, is right at the beginning.
is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world gone bad. Half the people die while the rest of us are split in halves. It's a good world gone bad.
You didn't have a tire on it. No, you missed it. Straight. Okay, now just climb that. Slow down. Okay. Slow up it.
I did it last week.
You're gonna want to get your passenger or your driver on this, or on that.
That's what I did last week.
That rear one's just snagging you up a little bit. Back up.
Back up.
Yeah, fill it in a little bit. Back up about 3 feet. Keep going.
Okay.
Stop. Now turn. Become driver and just climb this. There you go.
Stay left.
Keep staying right where you're at. Yeah. Oh, you're good. Like a champ.
It's on 30, I'm on 37s, yeah.
35.
35s, yeah, you can drive. You're really good up. Climbed right up there.
Thank you. Hold on. Say that again, Jamie?
I said, Mama don't ride bitch on a four-wheeler.
She don't.
She got the road.
Mama's good on a four-wheeler and a jet ski. She's a beast. It's Coney Creek. A lot shallower than it was last year, but it's amazing.
Diamonds so pearls, and I don't wanna take you traveling the world. But I can love you, yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'll give you all of what I've got. The fancy finds, baby. cross my heart and hope to die. Golden trinkets, mobile phone, expensive shoes, you can get your own. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart and hope to die.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was 3 different trails. Get out of the window a little bit. That was 3 different trails we went on. First, it was Bun School Road. How was Bun School Road, girls? The first one with the
It was awesome.
mild, right?
Very much.
Second one we went on was Middle St. Vrain. How was that?
Good.
Good. Some water and stuff. And then the last one was Coney Creek. And that one,
Much more technical.
much more technical. So 4 hours, 3 trails. Not bad at all. Good time. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to click subscribe. Hit that bell though to be notified of any new content. Also, check out this video up here. You may just like it. Girls, tell them bye.
Bye.
Thanks again for watching. We're out. Later.